I think in orthopedic surgery we've been very fortunate that we have the best surgical procedure available for people, and that has been, over the years, total hip replacement. That operation has been the most successful operation that any surgeon of any kind has ever done. And our results from that are absolutely excellent. John Charnley did the first hip replacement surgeries back in the 1960s. The operation was brought to the United States of America in 1970 when surgeons went to England to learn how to do that operation and came back and did it the way Sir John Charnley explained to us how we should be doing it. Total hip replacement is an operation with a lot of follow-up and a lot of success. Over the years, we've tried to improve it by improving or changing materials. Sometimes that's worked out, sometimes it hasn't worked out. But all in all, the operation is the most successful operation that we have to offer patients.
Dr. Kagan was very nice man, very thorough, told me what I had to have done, made me feel very comfortable. It was the first hip I had done, made me feel very nervous until I had it done, and then after the second hip I was not nervous at all because I knew how well of a doctor, good doctor he is. He just mentioned, the doctor just said to me, I need a new hip. And what the option was I had to have a hip replacement. And with the pain that I was in and the way I could hardly walk, I was all, let's get this done. But they had me walking. With the next day, I felt better. I was released 3 days later. And when I was released 3 days later, I went out to dinner with my nephews in town. When I went to rehab, they came to my house, so I didn't have to go anywhere. If I had to talk to somebody about having a hip replacement done, I would highly suggest going to Dr. Kagan, having it done, because it's a life change, My whole life went back to normal, as opposed to not being able to walk, being pain standing up, pain sitting down for a long time. So by all means, have it done. It's not anywhere near as scary or bad as you think it was going to be.